Hi Achievers! Welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say they are eating borscht. Be sure to watch to the end for a bonus tip. Do you know how to cook borscht? Let me know in the comments below and let's go! Today we continue learning the verb to eat. Please keep in mind that there is no difference between they eat and they are eating in Russian. When we need to say they are eating, in Russian we say они едят, where они is they and едят is are eating. And all together it's они едят. Keep in mind that in Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word они, which is Russian for they. The first sound is O, it's unstressed and is pronounced as A. Then we have N and I. And all together it's они. Try saying it with me. Они. Excellent. Let's have a look at the spelling of the word едят, which is Russian for are eating. The first sound is Е, then we have D, then goes Я and T. And all together it's едят. Едят. Try saying it with me. Едят. Well done. So far, you've learned how to say they are eating, where they is они and are eating is едят. Do you remember what is Russian for they? Они. What about are eating? Едят. Excellent. And the last word for today is борщ. 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 The first sound is B. Then we have O, R, and Sh. And all together it's борщ. Борщ. So far, you've learned how to say they are eating борщ. Они едят борщ. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go. Они is they. Едят is are eating. Борщ is борщ. Они едят борщ. Они. Do you remember where the other они is? Excellent. Едят. Do you know where the other едят is? Well done. Борщ. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say they are eating borscht. Они едят борщ. Where они is they, едят is are eating, and борщ is борщ. Excellent. And here is your bonus tip. Another traditional Russian dish with beets is herring under fur coat. Селедка под шубой. It's a hearty layered salad served around the New Year and other holidays. If you enjoyed our lesson, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications so that you never miss a new lesson. I'll see you in another video about food or anything else you like on A Plus Russian.